Welcome back Mogverse. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most important logistics machines used by the United States Army. It's not a flashy armored beast, not a frontline combat monster, but without this truck, frontline operations would simply stop. This is the M915 Patriot hauler, the 2025 evolution of America's heavy line haul transport system. A truck designed to move massive loads, cover long distances, and keep the U.S. military supplied around the world. Today we're going to break down its design, its engine, its performance, its comfort, its technology, how it compares to modern civilian haulers, and of course, the expected cost and what the 2025 pricing landscape looks like for a machine like this. The M915 Patriot hauler traces its roots back to the original M915 series developed for strategic transport missions. Over the years, upgrades in engine technology, safety systems, and durability have transformed it into a modern military powerhouse. The 2025 edition takes everything the Army needs: strength, reliability, mobility, and endurance, and enhances it for today's fast-moving logistics environment. This truck is built with one purpose: carry heavy cargo to wherever the military needs it. No excuses, no breakdowns, no compromises. From the outside, the M915 Patriot hauler looks like a giant that means business. Its stance is tall, wide, and incredibly stable. The 6x4 configuration gives it the traction it needs for paved roads, long-distance hauling, and heavy loads. The cabin has been redesigned over the years to provide more visibility, thicker protective panels, and better aerodynamic flow. But even with all these upgrades, the truck stays simple, because simplicity is reliability. When you're operating in harsh conditions or transporting mission-critical equipment, breakdowns are not an option. The body is reinforced with high-strength materials, and the entire frame is built to withstand extreme stress from both cargo weight and road environments. Under the hood is where the real power lives. The 2025 M915 Patriot hauler is powered by a massive 15-liter class diesel engine capable of producing around 500 to 600 horsepower, depending on configuration. But military trucks aren't just about horsepower, they're about torque. And this beast delivers over 1,800 to 2,050 pound-feet of torque, giving it the muscle to pull extremely heavy loads without strain. Whether it's towing artillery systems, hauling containers, or transporting machinery, the engine stays calm, controlled, and consistent. The power delivery is smooth thanks to a military-tuned automatic transmission that optimizes gear shifts for heavy-duty missions. When you're driving something this big, smooth shifting is everything, and the M915 does it effortlessly. Fuel economy usually isn't something people talk about with military trucks, but the Patriot hauler has been improved in that area too. The modern diesel system, along with optimized gearing and improved airflow, lets this truck travel longer distances on less fuel compared to earlier models. This matters significantly for the Army, because every gallon saved means fewer refueling points, fewer supply convoys, and less risk. In long-distance missions across the US or across foreign bases, the M915's efficiency becomes a huge advantage. When it comes to performance, this truck is all about stability and control. On highways, the M915 runs smoothly, gripping the road with confidence thanks to its weight distribution and advanced suspension setup. The front axle offers a balanced ride, while the rear axles handle heavy towing loads with ease. Even with a fully loaded trailer, the truck maintains excellent stability and braking control. The braking system itself is upgraded with ABS, military-grade air brakes, and fail-safe emergency mechanisms. In 2025, safety is a big priority, and the M915 keeps the driver and cargo protected. Inside the cabin, the truck is more modern than ever. Earlier military trucks were simple and rugged, but the 2025 Patriot hauler adds comfort without sacrificing durability. The seating is improved for long-distance missions, offering better cushioning and adjustable ergonomic support. The dashboard is functional, featuring digital readouts, improved visibility gauges, and optional GPS-linked navigation systems for secure military routes. Noise insulation has been improved as well, so drivers can travel long hours without fatigue. Modern climate control ensures the truck performs in icy winters, blazing deserts, and tropical humidity. Even though it's a military workhorse, the cabin still respects the driver's comfort. The M915 Patriot hauler is also designed for quick maintenance. The engine layout allows easy access to filters, hoses, and service points, making field repairs faster. This is crucial for military use, where downtime isn't acceptable. Reliability is the #1 rule, and the engineers behind this truck made sure mechanics can service it without needing specialized tools or complex procedures. The electronics are sealed and protected, meaning water, dust, and harsh weather conditions won't affect performance. Now let's talk about towing and payload capability, because this defines the M915. Depending on configuration, the truck can tow up to 60,000 pounds, 27,000 kilograms, or more when paired with the right trailer. This gives the Army the flexibility to move tanks, armored vehicles, fuel containers, ammunition, and construction equipment. In simple terms, if the U.S. military needs it moved, the M915 Patriot hauler can move it. That's the level of trust this vehicle has earned over decades of service. Another area where the M9